In order to adjust permissions for apps on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can open the settings on your phone, then over here scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy. Afterwards we're gonna scroll down again. This time we are looking for more privacy settings, and then we should be able to find the permission manager. And here we have the list of permissions that we can manage on our phone, and you can choose any of them in order to start doing so. So let's say we can go to location, and then over here we can decide which apps should be allowed to use the location or allowed only while the app is in use, and so on and so forth. Also, what you can do is, instead of going to security and privacy, you can open apps instead, and then from this list of apps you can choose whichever app you want to manage, and you can find the permissions option in here as well, so you can see which permissions are granted or not. And of course, if you want to, you can manage these permissions in here as well. So you can tap on the permission and decide if it should be allowed, if the app should be allowed to use this permission or not. Leave a like and subscribe.